Professor Ashfaq Ahmed Aziz, B.com from Karachi University.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Ashfaq Ahmed Aziz and I am teaching in Nemo school system and I am supposed to be an English teacher. And today I will teach you people active and passive voice of present indefinite tense. Okay, before starting active and passive voice of present indefinite tense, we have to write the structure, and the structure is most important. You can also say formula as well. Okay, now first of all we have to write the formula. Active voice, subject, first form of verb, S and ES, then you have to put object. That is the formula of active voice. Now going to write the formula of passive voice. Object, is all helping verb. Okay, then we always use third form of verb, by, then subject. Okay, these are the formulas of active and also passive voice. Or after that, we have to make affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences mean sada jumle. Okay, now see the first sentence. I write a letter. Means मैं खत लिखता हूं. Okay, whenever we change active voice into passive voice, first of all, object will take the place of subject and subject will take the place of object. Now see, a letter is written by me. Now see, first of all I have taken object, then I used helping verb is, then we use third form of verb, and after that I used by. Okay, if the subject here we have I, then we have to say by me. If we have subject he, we have to say him. Okay, if we have subject she, then we have to say her. If we have subject they, we have to say them. If we have subject we can say us. Or if singular name, you can also write the name and also you can say him. If you have female in name, you can also write the name of female and also you can say her. Okay, now see the sentence number 2. He plays cricket. Now see, here I have used S with the third person singular. Okay, but here I did not use S with the first person. So we are not allowed to use S or ES with the first person, and also we are allowed to use S or ES with the third person. Now see, passive voice. Object will take the place of subject, subject will take the place of object. Cricket is played by he means him. Okay, so now I am writing your group. वो cricket खेलता है. Okay, now see the meaning of passive voice. क्रिकेट खेली जाती है उसके जरिए. Okay, so these are the affirmative sentences. Okay, now after affirmative, the last step I am going to do, that is negative sentences of both active and passive voice. See, negative sentences. Means Ankarya Jumle. In the short form of, we can say means AV, activize, PV, passivize. Now we have to write the formula. Subject, do, does, plus not, first form of verb, object. Now passivize formula is MR plus not plus third form of verb by plus subject. The same sentence we will change into negative form. Now see, with the subject I, we, you, they, okay, and plural name, you always say do not. I do not, we do not, they do not, Ahmed and Ali do not. But as far as third person is concerned, he, she, it, or any singular name, you always say does not. But after using does not, you finish S or ES with the first form of verb. Now let's do it. I do not write a letter means मैं खत नहीं लिखता हूँ. Okay, now see the passive. A letter is not written by me. खत नहीं लिखा जाता है मेरे जरिए. Now the last sentence I am going to do. He does not play cricket. Passivize. Cricket is not played by him. Okay, now see the Urdu. वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता है. क्रिकेट नहीं खेली जाती है उसके. So that was the first step of present indefinite tense, and in this step we did affirmative sentences and negative sentences of active and passive voice. And inshallah